Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Mariam aka Bint Harun. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. In today's video guys, I'm going to be putting you through products or tools that really enhance my feminine hygiene or routine or ritual, whatever you feel like calling them. I'm just going to put you through products, routine and tools that really enhance my feminine hygiene, that really helps me exit this feminine energy that I'm about to, I told you I'm walking into that era of becoming that woman. So I'm all about enhancing my feminine energy because I want it to exude. Like whenever someone is seeing me, that person is just saying a woman, I love that energy. I love the fact that God created me a woman and I want to enhance that. So help me God. I want to take you guys along. I want you guys to come with me, be on this journey with me, and also help you guys out. Let's help ourselves out. Also, put in your suggestions in the comment section and tell me which feminine hygiene ritual or tools that you've been using that really helped you, or which one you would want me to try so I can give my own review, my own testimony on. I'll be waiting for you guys in the comment section. So with that being said, let's hop right into the video. We're going to start with the oral part before we move down to the body part. First purchase that I did for my oral hygiene that really top of everything and took everything to another level is tongue scrapers. Tongue scrapers are really essential. It's a staple in your oral hygiene, like no skipping of the tongue scrapers. When I was growing up, my grandmother used to, in time like this where sugarcane is just so available, she used to peel sugarcanes, a bigger peel, and she keeps it about 3 or 4, so it lasts her for about a year until another sugarcane is coming into the season. I always used to be like, why is she keeping this? Whenever she's brushing her teeth, I see her with sugarcane peel and she scraped her tongue, and she always told me that dirt are not on your teeth, they are on your tongue. So ever since I was growing up, my grandmother was doing that. It was a ritual. I saw my grandmother doing it. I learned a great deal when it comes to feminine hygiene, how to really take care of yourself, not to smell, from my grandmother. Really, I learned a great deal from that woman. God bless her, she's still alive. More health, long life to her. So tongue scrapers are really a staple, and ever since I started using them, guys, the first time the gunk and the dirt that just came out of my tongue, wow. Was I living with all of that dirt in my mouth? Like, why? You need them in your oral hygiene to completely take your oral hygiene to another level. The second purchase that I did for my oral hygiene was whitening strips. This isn't really necessary, but I know that everyone wants this brighter or whiter smile. So whitening strips, they helped me, but you need to get a very good one for it to show effect. So moving into the next is oil pulling. Ever since I read about oil pulling, I love to oil pull more than I love to gargle my mouth with a mouthwash. Oil pulling is just chef kisses. Oil pulling is just the best. All you need to do is get a good coconut oil. I think any other oil should do, but coconut oil are really what I see people doing oil pulling with. It's an Ayurvedic ritual, and guys, do you know how cleansing balms just helps take up your makeup, solving the makeup products, the makeup ingredients? That's what oil does to your mouth. It dissolves all of those stains that may be from coffee. Oil pulling also helps with bad breath. Guys, when you do oil pulling with a nice coconut oil, you're going to have this nice smell, like nice breath, smelling coconutty. Hey, so yeah, of course, oil pulling is really a staple also. It changed, these are things, the tongue scrapers and the oil pulling are just things that you can get them around. You don't even need to stress much. So oral hygiene is important. Tongue scrape, oil pulling, and in case you also want to go extra, you need to add whitening strips. Into the body rituals or body products that really help my body, topping the list, we have dry brushing. Dry brushing is really a staple. Dry brushing helps to get rid of your dead skin cells on the surface of your skin. They also help with blood circulation. They are very therapeutic. It's something that I'm used to doing now, and whenever I do it, I feel calm. And when your blood flows properly, your skin tends to flourish. You tend to have this nice looking skin, glowy looking skin, because the blood is pumping. Dry brushing is really a game changer. Next thing that I incorporated into my body routine is exfoliating. So it's either I dry brush or I exfoliate. Days that I dry brush, I don't exfoliate, and days that I don't dry brush, I exfoliate. But I tend to do this not like I dry brush today and exfoliate tomorrow. No, I tend to give gaps so just my skin can heal and my skin can relax. Dry brushing doesn't really hurt. Exfoliating can hurt if you are very rough with it. But these two things, dry brushing and exfoliating, they just give you this nice, soft, supple skin. And every lady wants to have this supple, nice looking skin. And this too helps you to achieve that goal. Next is sugar waxing. I used to use razor on my body, and whenever I use razors, I tend to have bumps, and these bumps tend to itch, and it's very unladylike if you happen to go outside and you're itching your underarms. Normally it's on my underarms they itch. I mean, it's something natural, but that attitude is disgusting for a man to do, so not even to talk about a lady. How am I going to help myself to stop this underarm itching? And waxing was just the answer. I'm very particular about my smell. I don't even like removal creams or hair removal powder because they tend to have this nasty smell. If that's what you use, it's fine. And in case you're still using razor, just go on with shavers that have 4 blades or above, because 4 blades are what, like when you swipe them, they just take everything off. You don't have to go in and go back, because going back and forth with razors is what actually gives you bumps and also hyperpigmentation. For me, I have been using sugars for my waxing, and just chef kisses, and I noticed that my hair don't grow back faster and they don't grow back thicker, and hyperpigmentation that I have been noticing under my arms is gone. So waxing is really a staple to me too. It has enhanced my feminine hygiene. I'm feeling clean. I don't usually have the itchiness. The bumps are just gone. So if you also want to feel that luxury feel that I'm feeling from hair removal, you can try waxing. Moving into the next, deodorant. So I'm trying as much as possible to stay clear of so many chemicals, like I've mentioned earlier. I've been using this glycolic acid from The Ordinary to like dab in a cotton pad, or sometimes even pour it like that on my underarms. And guys, guys, if you use that under your arms, you don't smell. I know it's not a perfume, so it's not going to make you scent, but it's definitely not going to make you smell. It's going to like balance the pH around your underarms, and you're not going to smell bad. Guys, who doesn't love that? I'm not wearing a perfume, I'm not wearing a deodorant, and I'm not smelling bad. So it's really a staple. I've used this live myself. I am the living witness to that. I've seen it online and I decided to move in to use it. It was a very beautiful decision that I've made for myself. So in case you also want to limit the usage of chemicals in your body and you want to stop with deodorants, you can try the glycolic acid. It's a really game changer. I mean, if you wear your clothes, of course you're going to top with your cloth perfume, which is just normal. But perfume in your skin, if you want to get rid of that, just try the glycolic toner. But then if you also don't want to, you're still sticking with your deodorant or your body roll-ons, you can stick with antiperspirant, body roll-on, and body spray. Because if you're sweaty, antiperspirant will help calm you down not to sweat. It's gonna like zap in, hold in the sweat for you. So whenever I try to use body roll-on, I still use my body roll-ons and my body sprays, but not as I always use them, because before they used to be everyday something. It's just you just have to use them every day. But after I started the glycolic toner routine, it calms me the hell down. I don't itch like I normally used to itch underarms. I don't sweat, and I also don't smell. You see these two combination, I wax and I use the glycolic toner. They are just chef kisses. They've enhanced my feminine hygiene, guys. I'm feeling it. I'm just feeling it. So you also want to incorporate that, and in case you don't, you can use any antiperspirant deodorant. Moving into the last part that also talked in my feminine hygiene is body oils. Guys, using of body oils have really helped me because I have a very dry skin. Body oils make sure that I have this glowy finish on my skin, this silkiness on top of my skin. So body oils give me this luxury feel, and they just calm my body also. Like, you know what, you're not gonna be dry, baby. We are here for you. We're going to, like, you know, make you moisturized. So body oils is really also essential. It helps my feminine hygiene. And also, if you want to top in more to your feminine hygiene, you can add a lip scrubber, because scrubbing your lips is going to make your lips supple and, you know, more plumpy and give your lips radiant color. And if you also want to step it up and up, you can also add in a body mist to your routine, because body mist are also important. They give you your base scent. Like whenever somebody or anybody perceive that smell, they know that it's you. So it's like it's giving you your signature smell. You can also add these two things to your feminine hygiene to just, you know, top up everything. So with this, bring us to the end of this video, and I hope you've taken notes of things that you need to also add in this 2023. That skin right, get that feminine hygiene right, just do it right. Be that girl, be that woman. I want to take you along. Let's all do it together. Let's perfect together. And check out some of my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, we're hitting 1K. Please just subscribe. Let's just hit this 1K in a fast way. So see you next time on another upload. Bye.